GP knife. Got some swag. Thank you for your order. Pretty excited about this one. Custom knife. Let's see. Ooh. Some more. Oh. Sergey Rogovets. Big sheet. Model XR3. Magna cut blade. Smoothing material. XR3. Big. Some holes. It's got a hole here. Big old back spacer. Awesome. First flick. Yeah, this is a wicked design. Very cool. Kind of a swedge up here. Baby's crying. That is awesome how they did that blade, or he did it. Yeah. Have another look outside out in the sun. Big hardware. Blade finish is really awesome. I like that a lot. On the back spacer, we got the signature and date, the blade steel. This thing is cool. Big old chunk of titanium. I got XM24. Quite a bit bigger. This is sweet. Well, I'm gonna go check this out. Thanks for watching. Hope you're having a good day. Boom. Sweet.